Composed of 3 interconnected volumes, Downland Barns is a home that celebrates the local vernacular architecture with black timber, pitched roofs, clay tiles, and flint walls that evoke the character of traditional agricultural buildings. The timber structure arrived as prefabricated, highly insulated panels sourced from sustainably managed forests. Once assembled on site, the walls were finished with natural clay plaster, creating calm and welcoming interiors. Natural light filters through the intricate timber structure, softly illuminating the clay-plastered walls. Its structure is made from pine trees native to the gentle hills of the North Downs. At the heart of the house, a green oak-framed volume connects the living room, kitchen, and support spaces in a seamless flow. On the south-facing facade, floor-to-ceiling glass panels offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and open onto the terrace. The house sits on a hillside with uninterrupted views over the North Downs countryside. It was designed to disappear into the landscape while simultaneously revealing the best of it. Half a level below, a second barn-like volume houses additional living areas, a study, gym, and bedrooms, creating a balanced and comfortable vertical dialogue. Part of the home was built within a 400-year-old barn that was carefully dismantled and restored. The replacement timber was sourced from barns of the same era, and the new floors and interior paneling are made from wood approximately 600 years old. It's a true conversation between past and present. The house was designed to operate off-grid when needed, using Tesla Powerwall batteries. It also features underfloor heating, a mechanical heat recovery system, LED lighting, home automation, zero VOC materials, and minimal plastic use. Outdoors, a rainwater harvesting system irrigates the garden and surrounding fields, while the woodland below has been rewilded, strengthening the home's connection to its environment. Downland Barns is a home that blends craftsmanship with sustainable innovation, creating a warm and modern living space, rooted in tradition yet refined with contemporary elegance.